discuss about key feature of virtual data rooms. Virtual data rooms offer a range of key features that are designed to facilitate secure document sharing, collaboration, and efficient data management. Here are some essential features commonly found in virtual data room software. Document management VDR provides robust document management capabilities, allowing users to upload, organize, and categorize documents in centralized and secure environment. Features may include folder structure, document indexing, version control, and ability to set access permission for individual documents. Security and access control. VDR are prioritized data security and offer various security features. This can include folder structure, document indexing, version control, and C ability, and so on. I will tell you. So Q&A and FAQ management. Videos are often include Q&A module that allows user to ask questions and receive answer within the media platform. This feature is particularly useful during So, the feature is particularly useful during due diligence process, allowing builders, investors, and sellers communicate and clarify information effectively. Additionally, an FAQ management tool can provide a responsibly frequently asked questions to save time and prove quick access to essential information. Data room accessibility. Thank you so much for watching my video.